Today in phonics, students will take Phonics Test 1. This is a picture of what the phonics workbook looks like. And so if you open up to page 1 in the workbook, you will see a blank sheet, which that's the test. It's an oral test, meaning I give the sounds orally and students have to write them out, kind of like how I did on the phonics video yesterday. So on this test, they have 4 sections. They have number 1, 2, 3, and 4, and each part is different. So I will walk students through the test just like I would do in the classroom. They just have to have a pencil on hand and they just have to write everything that I say. First thing before we begin the test is make sure that you have your name at the top of the test. Once you have your name, we can begin. Let's start with number 1. It says write the 5 vowels. So you have 5 empty boxes. You will write a vowel in each box. You only have 5 vowels, so go ahead and do that. Let's move on to part 2, and you can pause in between the video as well to give students time to complete each section. Okay, part 2, it says write the mark we use to show the sharp sound of a vowel. So whenever we have sharp vowels, what symbol do we put to show that it's a sharp vowel? I call it something, and that's why they have that face with the eyes. What symbol do we put to show a sharp vowel? You can put that on the face. I will move on to part 3. Number 3 says write the letter that your teacher sounds. So I will say a sound, you write the letter of that sound. Okay, so number 1, the first box, the sound is S. S. What letter says S? Number 2, what letter says O? O. O. Number 3, what letter says K? K. K. Number 4, what letter says B? B. B. Number 5, what letter says N? N. N. Number 6, what letter says T? T. T. Okay, I will go over those again. Number 1 was S. Number 2 was L. Number 3 was K. Number 4 was B. Number 5, N. And number 6, T. All right, let's move on to part 4 of the test. Now I will say blends. You have to make sure that you write both letters that are in the blends. Blends have 2 letters in them. Okay, let's begin with number 1. The first blend is na. 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 Number 2, the blend is li. 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 Number 3, the blend is te. 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 Number 4, the blend is sa. 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 Number 5, the blend is ka. 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 And number 6, the blend is n. 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 Let's go back over them again. Number 1 was na. Number 2 is li. Number 3 is te. Number 4 is sa. Number 5 is ka. And number 6 is n. That is it for the phonics test today. On the back, there is a reading portion, but being that we are not in class, we will not complete that, and that's why I'm doing the reading assessments. That will count, separate from the phonics test. Students also have to complete workbook page 14 on today as well. You can turn the phonics test in on Google Classroom.